Good morning, Level 1. This is Miss Arshma from Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. Level 1, in today's mathematics unit, we are going to continue our chapter. The name of the chapter is, as you already know, Level 1, multiplications. And today we are going to start new topic. The name of the topic is multiplication facts of 5. Okay, so to start this topic, you have to take out your mathematics targeting book and open page number 216 of your mathematics targeting book, level 1. Write today's date on the top of the page. First of all, after writing the date, level 1, what we have to do? Actually, the question is, how many buttons are there? This is just for your explanation, just for your learning. Okay, just listen it very carefully and look into your books. How many buttons are there? In the A part, there is one box. Okay, it means there is one group, and in one group there are 1, 2. We are counting the buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In one group, in one box, there are 5 buttons. Alright. So how we are going to write it? How we are going to write groups and objects? 1, 5. Now, as we already know, level 1, we already learned that in multiplication, 1 indicates, the first number indicates the number of groups, and the second number indicates, or the second term indicates, the number of objects. So 1 means there is one group, as you can see, and 5 means in one object there are 5. In one group there are 5 objects. So now what they are saying, we have to multiply that. We are going to multiply objects to the group. So first we are going to write the number of groups, that is 1, and the number of objects is 5. For example, level 1, ये बॉक्स हमारे पास क्या हो गया? ये ग्रुप हो गया, और जो इसके अंदर चीज़ें हैं वो हमारे पास क्या हो गई? ऑब्जेक्ट हो गई. ठीक है, जो बॉक्स है, आई एम रिपीटिंग लेवल 1, जो बॉक्स है वो ग्रुप हो गया, और जो उसके अंदर ऑब्जेक्ट हैं वो क्या हो गए? यानी उसके अंदर जो भी चीज़ है वो क्या हो गया? ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया. सो व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई ग्रुप्स एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स, 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 एंड आवर आंसर इज 1, 5 equals to 5. Okay, there are 5 buttons. Okay, now similarly in the B part, level 1, it's pretty easy, level 1. Just listen it very carefully. There are 2 boxes, 1 and 2, and as I already said that boxes indicates that there are 2 groups. Okay, and in each group there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 objects. Similarly in the second group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In both groups there are 5 objects. So how we are going to write objects and groups? 2 5s. What 2 indicates the group? Okay, how many groups are there? There are 2 groups, and in 2 groups there are 5 objects. So we are going to write 5s. 2 5s equals to 10. How the answer is 10? When we are going to multiply groups and objects, 2 multiplied by 5, because we have 2 groups and 5 objects, so we are going to multiply it. 2 multiplied by 5 and our answer is 10. It's simple multiplication, level 1. 2 5s are 10. There are 10 buttons. Okay, level 1, it's easy. Okay, now similarly in the third part, in the C part, there are 1, 2, 3 objects, and in each object 3 groups, and in each group there are 5 objects. So how we are going to write it? We are going to write 3 5s. First we are going to write the number of groups, and then in wordings we are going to write the number of objects in each group. हमें हर ग्रुप से ऐड करने के बाद नहीं लिखना होता, बल्कि हर ग्रुप में जितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं हमें वही लिखना है, बिकॉज वी आर ऑन द टॉपिक मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट्स ऑफ 5. तो हर ऑब्जेक्ट में 5 ही हर ग्रुप में 5 ही ऑब्जेक्ट होंगे. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट 3 5 हमने इसलिए लिखा है क्योंकि हमारे पास हर ग्रुप में 5 ही ऑब्जेक्ट हैं. तो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट 5. देयर आर 5 ऑब्जेक्ट इन ईच ग्रुप. And when we are going to multiply it, when we are going to multiply the group of number to the group of object, 3 multiplied by 5, and our answer is 15. There are 15 buttons. Okay, level 1. Now similarly, these are simple question. Now there is one word problem on page number 217. Look into your books. There are 10 groups of 5 buttons each. Let's count in 5s to find the number of buttons. Okay, level 1. There are 10 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there are 5 buttons, 5 objects in each group. यानी हमारे पास यहाँ पे फॉर एग्जांपल लेवल 1 हमारे पास 10 प्लेट्स हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है. और प्लेट के अंदर जो डोनट्स रखे हुए हैं वो हर प्लेट में 5 डोनट्स हैं, ठीक है. अब मेरी बात समझ में आई. प्लेट को हम मेंशन करेंगे दैट प्लेट इज़ आवर ग्रुप एंड दैट डोनट्स इन द प्लेट इज़ आवर ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द नंबर ऑफ प्लेट्स, द नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स. Number of groups is 10, and in each group, in each plate, how many donuts we have? We have 5 donuts. So we are going to write 10 5s, and when we are going to multiply it, 10 multiplied by 5, our answer is 50. Okay, level 1. 10 multiplied by 5 or 5 multiplied by 10 is the same answer. We got the same answer. That is 50. There are 50 buttons. It's easy, level 1. It's easy. I know it's easy. Now coming towards on page number 218, there are some activities for us. This is related to multiplication facts of 5. How many dots are there, level 1? So what we have to do, we are going to, first of all we are going to make an equation. So how we are going to make an equation? As I already told you that first of all we are going to write the number of groups. How many number of groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, level 1, there are 5 groups. So we are going to write here 5. And as we are on chapter on multiplication, so we are going to put sign of multiplication, that is the cross sign. And how many objects in each group? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in each group there are 3 objects, level 1. So how we are going to write it? We are going to write 3. Okay, and when we are going to multiply it, 5 multiplied by 3, and our answer is yes, 15. So there are 15 dots. Is that easy, level 1? Now similarly in the B part, how many groups are there? First of all, level 1, first group. This is first group. Then it is second group. It is third group. So how many groups are there? There are 3 groups. Sign of multiplication. And in each group, how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, there are 5 objects in each group. When we are going to multiply it, 3 multiplied by 5, and our answer is 15. Oh, it is the same answer. There are 15 dots. It's easy, level 1. Now you understand it. Okay, now in the C part, level 1, again we are going to count number of groups. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups. We are going to write here 4, the sign of multiplication, and then there are 1 2 3 4 5 5 objects in first group. 1 2 3 4 5 5 objects in second group. 1 2 3 4 5 5 objects in third group. 1 2 3 4 5 5 objects in fourth group. So we are going to write here number of objects, that is 5. Okay, now when we multiply 4 and 5, what is our answer? 4 5s equals 20. There are 20 dots. Now how can we confirm our answer? We are going to count our dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Yes, our answer is correct. Okay, level 1. Now similarly in the D part, there are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. There are 6 groups, so we are going to write here 6, sign of multiplication, and in each group there are 1 2 3 4 5 objects. So we are going to write here 5. Now when we multiply 6 and 5, our answer is 30. There are 30 dots. Okay, level 1. Now question number 2, do you know your multiplication facts of 5 mentally? Now level 1, there is our answer and there is one number. What we have to do, we have to find out the number that we have to multiply with 5 and our answer comes 10. So which number we are going to multiply with 5 and we got the answer 10? I think it's 2. What you have to do, level 1, simply you have to revise the table of 5, in which number you got the answer 10. For example, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, so you have to put here 2. Similarly in the B part, what we have to find out, we have to find the number which we are going to multiply with 5 and we got the answer 15. So which number is this that we are going to multiply with 5 and we got the answer 15? You have to memorize the table of 5, level 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 5 threes are 15. So what we have to do, we have to write here 3. Okay. Similarly in the C part, what we have to do, we have to find out the number which we are going to multiply with 5 and we got the answer 25. So again we are going to memorize, we are going to repeat our 5 times table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. So here what we have to write here, 5 because we want our answer 25 and when we are going to multiply 5 with 5, then our answer is 25. Okay. Now similarly in the D part, level 1, you have to multiply the number 5 with the number you got 40 answer. Again repeat 5 times table. 5 ones are 5, repeat with me. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35 and 5 eights are 40. Yes, so what we are going to write here, 8. Okay, level 1. Okay, level 1. Now open your mathematics exercise books, level 1. We are going to do some activity in our exercise book 2. Take it out, open a blank new page, write today's date after the title page of multiplications. On the next page, very next page, you have to start this work. We are going to do some activities, very easy and very interesting activities of multiplication facts of 5. So level 1, there is one group. Okay, it is a group like this. Okay, it is a group. What we have to do, we have to make an equation of multiplication. How we are going to make an equation? First of all, we have to write number of groups. How many groups are there? Level 1, there are only one group, so we are going to write here 1. Okay, then the sign of multiplication, then number of objects. How we are going to count the number of objects? We are going, there are 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 objects. We are going to write 5 here. Now it's simple multiplication. 1 multiplied by 5, answer is 5. There are 5 flowers. Easy. Now coming towards on the second part, level 1. Again, one group, second group, now you have to make multiplication equation. How we are going to make it? First of all, number of groups. First group, second group. These boxes are our groups. So how many groups are there in the B part? There are 2 groups. We are going to write 2 here. Sign of multiplication. Then the number of objects. There are 1 2 3 4 5 objects in first group, and 1 2 3 4 5 objects in second group. So what we are going to write here? We are going to write 5 here because there are 5 objects in each group. Then the sign of equals. 2 multiplied by 5. Level 1, you have to memorize the table. As I already told you, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. There are 10 lady birds. Alright, please do this exercise in your mathematics exercise book level 1, and do practice of chapter multiplication in your home. Thank you for watching my video. Be safe, level 1.